Hey guys, how you guys are doing? Hope you're having a fabulous Monday. I know I am. All right. I definitely want to introduce myself just in case for anyone that is new to what I do and everything like that. So welcome to Keke's channel. And my name is Keke, so I am your host or the person that's talking, of course, but you can clearly see that. um, how is my YouTube, my YT fam doing? How you guys are doing? I hope you're having again a fabulous Monday. But I am I'm a Forex coach as well as a credit repair consultant, and I do have my own company called Keke's Credit Solutions and Investing. So I basically help clients repair their credit as well as teach students how to trade in the foreign exchange market. I do have a paid course as well as I have a free course. So I offer different ways how you can stay plugged in with me. Offer different ways of how you can kind of be able to kind of have an idea, have better clarity, understanding as to what I do. And you can take it from there. Okay. So today's topic is about beginner friendly brokers. I figured this video needs to definitely be done. Especially since I talk about trading in the foreign exchange market, and I have a group community right now, a paid group community for my students that are paying for the course, as well as a community for my free course people. So please check that out. If you have a Facebook, you definitely want to join my Facebook group. It is called Teaching Free Forex Course. So just check me out there. I appreciate it. It's easy to join and get set up with me, as well as I have a Telegram channel, and that's also which is my Keke's Credit Solutions and Investing free course. So just check me out there as well. I will have everything, well, not everything, but I will have my website, which my website consists of everything that I'm just talking about right now. So my website will be in the description bar. So basically, when you click on my website, you just scroll until you see the tab that you want, and that's it. Okay, I try to make everything easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, so let's go ahead and get into today's discussion. So, like I was saying, I figured this is a video that needs to be done, especially for my beginner traders that because it can, to be honest, when it comes to trading and you're in early stages and a beginner, there are so many brokers that you can honestly choose from. It can get overwhelming as to which broker would be the right fit for you. So I figure I will make this video for all my potential students or students that are interested in trading. And I'm hoping that these tips, or I shouldn't say tips, but I hope my recommendations are useful to you. Okay. So let's get started. So right now, I figure I'll make it simple. I'll stick with three. These three brokers that I will talk about is brokers that I personally know about because I personally use them. So and so I figured this will be more beneficial if I discuss brokers that I actually personally know versus brokers that I have no idea or know nothing about. So that's something to I figured that would be something important. So anyway, the first broker that I want to talk about. Oh yeah, and before I get into the discussion, I will make a video of talking like actually just being very more detailed, do more of a review on each broker that I'm discussing. Right now, I'm just gonna kind of just give you my intake on which brokers that are beginner friendly. And then in another video, I will go in more in depth about each broker. So that way, if I talk about broker and you're like, oh, I wish you could have said this and that, I'm planning on making another video where I'll be a little bit more detail, give more of a overall summary of review of each broker. Okay. So I wanted to say that before I get into it. All right, so let me get into it. So the first broker that I decided to talk about, it is called Lqdfx. Lqdfx. And if you see me looking down, it's because I got everything kind of written down on my phone. I don't want to forget anything. I can clearly do that a lot, especially when I'm doing videos. A lot of times when I'm doing videos, after I get off, I realize that I could have said, something different, or I realized I could have, I didn't say something that I should have had said, or, so I figured the best way to keep from having any hiccups, any mess ups, is to have it written down already. So all right, so Lqdfx is the broker. I do use them. I absolutely love them. Now they are for anyone that wants to trade FX, which is Forex, indices, commodities, and metals. They don't do crypto, so I'm just giving you a heads up there. But I love them because their spreads are so low. So they do have low spreads, and I like that. So they are, personally, I feel like they are a beginner friendly broker that you can go to and sign up with. You can set up yourself a live account as well as a demo account. But of course, if you are a beginner trader and you have no idea what you're doing, I always highly recommend that you set up your demo account first. Some brokers do have it fixed where you have to set up a live and then set up a demo. It just depends on which broker you use, but nevertheless, definitely focus on demo first, and then when you're more confident, more ready, then go ahead and start trading live. Okay, so anyway, back to focusing on the broker. So like I was saying, this broker in particular, Lqdfx, only do FX, indices, commodities, and metals. Okay, and so the minimum deposit that you can put down is $20. So heads up there. But they're still very good broker to use. And I'm trying to see here. So you can do deposits, you can do withdrawals with your deposits and your withdrawals. I highly recommend that you do Bitcoin. It's just faster. Otherwise, if you do bank wiring, which that is an option, you will have to wait, some days for that. So keep that in mind. But if you want to do Bitcoin, that would be your best safe bet to do on that. Okay, I will go in more further detail in a separate video. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next broker that I like, that I feel that's beginner friendly. The next broker is Ospreyfx.com. Now, unlike Lqdfx, Osprey, you can trade crypto and you can do forex. So that's a huge plus. But they are beginner friendly, in my opinion. And also, you can definitely deposit and withdraw through Bitcoin, which again, faster way to do it. Otherwise, they do offer bank wiring. You can use your debit and your credit card. Those options is a little bit more longer. If you do bank wiring, I think it's like 6 business days or something like that. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, like I said, your safest bet, Bitcoin. It varies. It depends, because sometimes it takes like an hour. I'm gonna say like an hour at most, in most cases when you're doing Bitcoin. Sometimes faster. It just depends. I can't really give you an estimate on how long it takes using Bitcoin. I just know it is within the same day, so no worries on that that end. So it's definitely faster. So you definitely want to go that route, especially if you want to withdraw or deposit really fast. That would be your safest option. All right, so with Osprey, minimum deposit is $10. So that's that's a plus. And you can again, you can do crypto, you can do trying to think what else you can do. Oh yeah, crypto, commodities, forex. You can do it all. Let's see here, and their spreads are. I'm trying to see where I can find that at. I was trying to. Oh yeah, customer support is 24/7, so no worries there. That's what I love. They are friendly. They're easy to, like, if you have questions or concerns about anything, Osprey has the best customer service. I do want to emphasize that for anybody that wants to know. Trying to think what else. I was trying to see where I did with the info about the spreads. The spreads is not that bad. It's really not that bad. I'll have better information for you when I do a more of a detailed video, but right, it's really not that bad. You can do demo account with Osprey as well as a live account with them as well. And again, they are definitely beginner friendly broker, in my opinion. I found it. So like the spreads is like 0.5. Okay, so it's 0.5 on FX and crypto. It kind of varies with crypto. If it's Bitcoins, it's like 30.06. And it kind of, that's the highest, and then the rest kind of, it's a little bit lower. You got 3.14 with Dash, and Ethereum 0.46. So it just varies depending on the pairs. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. Your indices is 0.04 in dollar. It varies with that too. So US 30 is 2.0. So it just varies, really it does. But they still a great beginner friendly broker. Again, they do have the best customer service. It's 24/7, so you have no worries on that end. And that's really it. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to my last beginner friendly broker, and there are others, but I just wanted to kind of make sure I don't make this video too long, too lengthy, and just stick with the three that I highly personally know about. So my next one, and I've talked about them in my previous video, in the past, and it is Hugo's Way. So in the video, I did talk about how they are my favorite broker, so you might check that video out. But it's Lqdfx, okay, and I do like them a lot, and they are definitely a beginner friendly broker. Minimum deposit is $10. Also, you can set up a live account as well as a demo account with them. You leverage 1.500. You have 55 currencies, 35 cryptos, 64 stocks. You definitely can do a 0.01 minimum lot size, so keep that in mind. You can do that on the other brokers I talked about too, by the way, so I don't want to mislead you or think that you can't do that on the other brokers. You can do that on the other brokers as well. I just didn't mention that, but yeah, so with Hugo's Way, you can trade crypto and forex. Doesn't matter, you can trade. Okay, so that's what I love about Hugo's Way. Their customer service is also good. Their customer service is 24/7 as well. Well, it doesn't really, it's like they say 24/5. So either way, they are pretty good getting back with you if you have questions or concerns. I've got a hold to someone on a weekend, so just to kind of give you a better understanding and make sure that you don't get worried or concerned. But I have had a hold in contact with customer care or customer service on a weekend, so just to let you know. So they are pretty good at getting back with you. If you have any issues or concerns or anything going on, they're pretty good at getting back with them. Also, let's see, I'm trying to think what else. Withdrawals. Okay, let's talk about the withdrawals. So withdrawals are processed in the same business day. You can request withdrawals directly from your account. So for you to know, they do offer credit or debit cards, so you can use your credit or debit card to do a withdrawal. But the fastest way, guys, is really just Bitcoin. I mean, I'm just gonna be honest. If you really want your money within the same day, then your best, safest bet is going to be Bitcoin, and that's with any broker that offers Bitcoin. Now, all brokers don't offer Bitcoin, so heads up there. But these brokers that I'm actually talking about to you right now, they all offer Bitcoin, so that's really good. So Hugo's Way also offer bank transfers, so you can you can set up where you can get where the money can go into your account. And so that's something to keep in mind. So wire transfer, most widespread transfers method in the world. We do charge $25 for a banking fee on withdrawals of up to 5K. So that's something to keep in mind. It does take up to 6 days, but we have processed on the end within 1 business day. So that's something to keep in mind. And I think I discussed everything. Again, like I was telling you guys, I will go in more in depth, more detail in a different video, because I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna do 3 separate videos just discussing each broker. Okay, so if there's a particular broker that you want me to go more in further detail, then please keep an eye out for those future videos. So I'm definitely going to do that for you guys, okay, because I think that's extremely important. And that's it. So I hope this video is useful to you guys. Okay, those are just the 3 brokers that I feel that is beginner friendly. So if, of course, I always tell everyone to do your own research, do your own reading. If you have questions, please contact me. I have no problems with you guys doing that if you have questions or concerns about anything. Okay, again, I'm gonna leave my website in the description bar, so if you have questions, please let me know. I will provide my email to you guys. My email is kekecreditsolutions@gmail.com, as well as keke_talk@yahoo.com. So again, if you have questions, you can definitely go directly and hit me up by email. You can also go on my website. I don't really like giving my phone number out like that on social media like that, just because I've done that in the past, and people have a tendency to actually play on my phone. So I really not trying to make it in a habit of giving my phone number, my business phone number like that. But if you definitely want to talk to me, of course, I would definitely make time for you to do that. And I'd be happy to give you my phone number if you actually want to talk on the phone. Okay, but that's it. Like I said, I guess I will see you guys later. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. That lets me know that I'm bringing you the type of content that you like. Okay, so I just hope I'm doing that for you. Okay, so until next time, see you later. Bye.